Have you ever wanted to sell a digital product online that felt completely overwhelmed with funnels, landing pages, email marketing, and all the time? If that's you, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. One of the biggest reasons beginners never launch isn't because they don't have a good idea. It's because they don't know how to start to put all the pieces together. In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact funnel every beginner should use to launch a digital product, even if you've never built a funnel before. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you need to do to start selling online. Let's get started. What is a funnel? Let's make this super simple. Imagine you own a coffee shop. If people walk in, look around, and leave without buying anything, you probably need someone to welcome them, answer their questions, and recommend a fix. A sales funnel does exactly that, but automatically. Instead of sending people directly to a payment page, your funnel guides them to a simple journey. Someone discovers your content, they click your link, they land on your page, they receive something valuable, like a free guide or checklist. They get a follow-up emails. Then, when they're ready, they purchase your offer. That's why funnels convert much better than simply posting a pin link. Why most beginners struggle. The biggest mistake I see that people try to do everything from scratch. They spend weeks designing landing pages. They don't know what to write. They spend hours watching tutorials. Then they get overwhelmed and quit before they ever launch. Here's something I wish someone had told me earlier. You don't need to create everything yourself. Successful entrepreneurs use templates, systems, and automation to save time. There's nothing wrong with using proven frameworks. Your goal isn't to prove you built everything from zero. Your goal is to launch and start learning from real customers. The four things every funnel needs. Every simple funnel has four essential parts. Step one, a landing page. This is where visitors decide whether they'll stay or leave. Your landing page should clearly explain who it's for, what problem it solves, why they should care. One clear call to action. Don't overwhelm people with too much information. Simple sales. So step two, a lead magnet. People rarely buy the first time they discover you. That's why offering something valuable for free is so powerful. Example, a checklist, a guide, templates, a mini workbook. This builds trust before asking for a sale. Step 3, email follow-up. Many people need multiple touch points before buying. That's where email marketing comes in. Instead of hoping they'll remember you, your emails continue to convert our conversation by providing value, answering questions, and building confidence. This is why email marketing remains one of the highest converting marketing channels. Step 4, your offer. Only after you've built trust should you present your paid offer. When someone already sees your expertise and understands the value you provide, buying becomes a much easier decision. Part 4, how to launch faster. Now, here's the truth. You can absolutely build every single part yourself, but it'll probably take weeks or even months. Or you can use ready-to-made templates and customize them in just a few hours. That's exactly why I created the mini funnel kit. Inside, you'll get a plug-and-play landing page, templates, an editable Canva lead magnet, done for you email sequences, launch captions, a panel checklist, step-by-step video tutorials, and even master resell rights. So you can also resell the tweet as yours own if you'd like. Yeah. So instead of staring at a blank screen, wondering where to start, you'll have a complete system that's ready to customize and love. And my final advice for you, if there's one thing I want you to remember from this video, it's this. Your first funnel doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be alive. The biggest difference between people who earn online and those who don't isn't talent. It's action. The people making sales today started before they felt completely ready. So don't wait until everything is perfect. Start with what you have. Learn as you go, improve along the way. That's how real business are built. I hope this video helped you understand how panels actually work and why they're such an important part of selling digital products online. If you'd like a shortcut and want to skip the complicated setup, I've created the mini funnel kit to help beginners launch faster using ready-made templates, video tutorials, and done for you resources. You'll find the link in the description on below. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know what topic you'd like me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.